To continue our mission of creating viral videos using free AI tools, today, I'll show you exactly how I create these ultra-realistic rust cleaning videos using Grok AI and ChatGPT, completely free. First, let me show you the final result. As you can see, the motion, physics, and cleaning effect look extremely realistic. This entire video was generated using a single AI workflow. Now let's start from the beginning. First, open ChatGPT and upload the master prompt TXT file. This file contains the structured system that generates professional image and video prompts automatically. Once the file is uploaded, ChatGPT will generate multiple object ideas that you can turn into videos. Simply choose the object you want. In this example, I'll use this rusted mechanical gear. After selecting the object, ChatGPT will automatically generate 2 prompts, one image prompt and one video prompt. Now copy the image prompt. Go to Grok AI and open the Imagine tool. Paste the image prompt into the prompt field. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 for shorts format. Then click Generate. After a few seconds, Grok will generate multiple images. Choose the one that looks the most realistic. Next, click to create a video. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Paste the video prompt into Grok's video generation section. Keep the aspect ratio at 9:16 and click Generate. After the video is generated, you'll notice realistic motion, lighting, and physics simulation. Before downloading, upscale the video to improve the quality and sharpness. Finally, download the video. And that's it. You now have a fully AI-generated viral-style rust cleaning video. If you want the exact master prompt and workflow, check the link in the description.